Every kitty has 9 lives, but 8 of mine went fast. Now there's only 1 life left, and I want to make it last.
I've got to be very careful where I snooze, because I've only got this many lives left. What was that? Yikes! Oh no! Oh no! Oh, I'd better get off this tub before it sails or sinks.
Tell me, Sam, what are we hauling this trip?
Yo-yos, roller skates, and hockey pucks, Captain Squeak.
Yeah, we never get any food down here except for bananas and more bananas. You know what? I'm sick of bananas.
Captain Squeak! Oh, Captain Squeak! We have a stowaway.
Oh, aiming to join us, are you, pussycat?
Actually, if you could just show me the nearest exit. Oh, no!
Oh, yes. I don't take the stowaways on my ship, Cat. No, it's bath time for you. This ain't the kind of bath I had in mind. Stanley Livingston Seagull.
Aye, aye, sir.
Show this kitty where he can wash up.
Let me go. Oh! Oh, no, I'm really up a tree.
Heave-ho, Fraidy, me lad.
Captain Kit.
Looks like you could use a hand, me hardy.
No, wait.
Up ye go, matey. Well, at least that blighter is better than the sharks, eh, Fraidy? Good luck, me boy.
I'll throw the thief overboard.
Deep six 'em!
Wait a minute. You know, we could use another hand.
Oh, no, thanks, Captain, sir.
You're gonna go to the number 2 hold, sweetheart, where they keep all the food, and you're gonna grab us some chow. Right, Sam?
Right, but watch out for the captain's guard dog. Guard.
I wouldn't do that if I were you, dear chap.
You're the guard dog?
Not precisely, old boy. All right, Rover, dispense with our guest.
I see you met Sweeney.
Yeah, and I wish somebody told me he has a pet with 8 arms.
Hey, Fraidy. Oh, yeah, like beat me, daddy, 8 to the bar.
This guy sure has some weird friends.
Hey, Dig, I got something to lay on you, Fraidy. Seems like you lost contact with these on your way out of that crazy little room.
You mean you were taking eats for yourself?
I didn't.
Listen, we're going into that room together, sweetheart. You first.
Oh, like, wow! That's the weirdest bird I ever heard. Dig you later, Fraidy-o. Oh, how quickly they forget. I say, Rover, teach these fellows a lesson, won't you? Rover,
old boy. What have those brutes done to you?
Quick, let's grab some chow while the grabbing's good.
Oh, my dear Rover, I'm afraid I'm dreadful with knots. I hope these guys quit work at 6. Oh, why did I say that?
Boy, what interesting cough. I mean, boxes. They're just about your size, Fraidy. Oh, this one's a little small.
Now, don't go getting any ideas, Jasper.
Perfect.
Hey, them's my crackers.
Here, take these.
Go get 'em, boys!
Be seeing you soon, Fraidy. On the other side.
Wait, I can explain. No, I can't. This kitten is splitting. Us cats always land on our feet, I think.